Very good morning, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Industry 4.0 and Services 4.0 Conference, come HCS 10th year anniversary event.
To me, there are three important things in life that we must remember, even as we transform ourselves. And one is about honoring our past. These were the people who conceived the notion of a human capital framework for Singapore, because Singapore has nothing except people. And it is people who move the needle for the nation as we transform.
We took a risk together. Many of the things we had to sort out personally.
Yeah.
At that time, it's a lot of trust.
Yeah,
Kind of trust. I think I can trust you. We make it work out because so new. If you really need to scrutinize everything, you won't get started.
I think what you talked about, trust and encouragement, was critical, I think, to HCS. And then relying on that trust and building that trust. So 10 years later, you see how that has come about. So the initial part of that relationship and things were very ambiguous, I think was critical in terms of the way that you manage it.
I must say that besides HCS, I had a part to play in starting many centres, but not many would say that 10 years later to come back to share with you their success, and more importantly, to express an appreciation. So I think on that note, I must say that it is quite unique and special of HCS to do it. And actually, it also really kind of reinforces a certain philosophy about human resource, that you don't take human capital for granted. So in a way, it's really preaching what you teach. But I'm really very grateful because I never expected that 10 years later, you'll still remember. Because many people, after 10 years, they forget. So for that, I'm grateful. I'm actually also grateful because both you and Gokju, you are very generous to say that I played a part in the success of HCS. But actually, on the converse, HCS also was quite crucial to WDA at that stage. Given that we were very new into lifelong learning, we were very new into the WSQ, Workforce Skills Qualification, there was very little confidence that would this really work? Do people dare to work with us? Are they taking a big risk? Gokju will remember at that time, to start a WSQ cert for human resource, there was a lot of concerns in the HR community. Are you sure we should start this? We already have a certification. You know, WSQ is the branding too low level, and we're talking about HR professionals. Will they accept? So actually all these, HCS actually played a big role in actually pioneering some of this and helping us gain the confidence, not just of the HR community, but of the WSQ system. So actually, I don't know, sometimes maybe I should be thanking you, not you thanking me. But 10 years later, I see the progress that has been made. I see the impact that has been made. I'm actually very proud and very grateful for all of this. So I do wish HCS even greater success. I know it will, because I just commented, you have Smart Nation, you have Industry 4.0. You cannot leave out the human resources. It's always crucial. So go propose your Industry 4.0 for the HR industry, your HR 4.0 plan. I'm sure there will be support.
Thank you.
So thanks very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.